Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial. This is unscripted, so please bear with me. What I'm going to do today is build a 3D coordinate system just like this one. And the reason for this is I want to do a series of tutorials that is about vectors. So what is a vector? What can you use vectors for? And why should you do all this? Well, vectors are magic. They can tell you all sorts of stuff. They can tell you where you are in space, and they can tell you which direction you're going. They can tell you how fast you're going. They can tell you how fast and which direction at the same time, actually. So they're pretty cool. Also, they can help you if you want to do ricochet. They can help you if you want to find out the angle between two vectors. For example, if you have a wall and you want to know the angle that your character is pointing to this wall, for example, if you want to do a wall run or stuff like this. So that is what you can use vectors for. But just to get started really quickly with vectors, we're going to do something like this, and I hope you can follow this. So we're going to start by making a new blueprint, base it on actor, and we're going to call it 3D coordinate system. Okay, and you don't want to add anything, you just have this. Go to the event graph right away and begin play. What do we want to do? We want to draw. First we want to draw a line, and we want it must be a debug line. They're pretty cool. So draw debug line, and where should it start? It should start at the actor location. Get actor location. Okay. We now have the actor location, and we want to have a line, a color for this. And I believe that in Unreal Engine we have red as the x-axis, and we're going to draw that one first. So change the color to red. Remember to change the alpha. I think it's the alpha anyway. And since 0 means it doesn't get drawn at all, -1 doesn't get drawn at all, we need to put in a big value. And the thickness, we're just going to go with 10. And now we have a line start, and where we want the line to end. We're going to take the location of the actor, we're going to break it. So you break the vector, and we make a vector, and then we just need to come on, like this. So z-axis, we're just going to keep that one. Y-axis, we're going to keep that one. But this one, we want to add something to it, because obviously we want to draw a line from where the actor is to some other point in space. And I would say 1000 is pretty good. So let's see how this one works. I hope you follow this, but else just pause the video. So let's see, we already have a coordinate system in there. Just gonna delete it. That was my own, I've made it before. And dragging this one in. And let's see what happens when we hit play. We have a red line going from here, where we pulled in the actor, and then 10 meters this way. That's all good. Okay. Moving on. Basically what we want to do is do this once more. So just copy it all. Not the begin play, because you can't. Insert this. Oh. What the? Trying again. Control C. Control V. Funny enough, we have all this. Oops. Okay, we don't want to fiddle with the x-axis anymore. We want just the x as it is. So we want to do the y-axis this time. Okay, I hope you follow. So basically it's exactly the same, but instead of adding to the x value, we are adding to the y, and the y is green. So change the color to green. We're just using these colors because that's what Unreal Engine does. Okay, let's see what happens when we hit play. Yay, we have 2 of these. That is awesome. Final step. Copy this. Insert this. Hook it up. And we have the red. We have a green. Now we just need a blue line. And there we go. Blue. And again, we want Y as exactly as it is. Set. We want to increase by 1000. And so we have 3 in a row doing the same thing, just like this. And congratulations, you should now have a coordinate system for us to work in for the next couple of tutorials. So please leave a like, do whatever. See you in the next chapter. Bye. Whoops.